Hey guys, welcome back to another ITworx tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a bootable Windows 10 USB. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a USB. Now, my USB that I'm using today is going to be 8 gigabytes. Now, I wouldn't recommend going any smaller than that because you are going to be loading your ISO image onto that USB, and obviously you might not have enough space. So anything at least 8 gigabytes and bigger would be preferable. The first thing we're going to need is we're going to go to the internet, and we're just going to simply type in ISO to USB. Now this is just a free software that will allow us to put our ISO image onto our USB and also format the USB so that we can boot from it when we start up the computer. So when I typed in ISO to USB, the first selection at the top where it says www.isotousb.com, we're just going to select that option, so just click on it. Alright, once this page is loaded, you want to click on this green button in the middle where it says download now. Now I'm not going to do this as I've already previously done this before I started this tutorial, but I do recommend you guys do that. Once it's finished downloading, just close your web browser or minimize it, and then we're just going to go to our downloads folder or wherever you saved that installation file, and we're just going to go and we're just going to double click on this ISO to USB setup. This will just go through the process of installing the software. Now I've already previously done this, so I'm not going to do this step, but it is very straightforward and you shouldn't have any problems or difficulties with it. Alright, once you've installed that software, you'll see on your desktop there'll be a shortcut that says ISO to USB. Now you're just going to open this software by just double clicking on it. Alright, once that software is opened up, the first thing we want to do is select our ISO file. So I'm just going to click on the browse button, and you're just going to browse wherever you stored your ISO image. Now mine's already on my desktop, as you can see here in the right corner, but I'm just going to select my Windows 10 ISO image and just click open. The next thing we have to do is to select our USB. Now if you click this little arrow here, it'll just bring up a drop down box. Now obviously you have to have your USB plugged in to see this. Now I've already got mine just a standard 8 gig USB, so I'm just going to select that. And then everything else we're going to leave it basically the same. We're going to leave it as FAT32. You can rename this if you want. For example, you might want to call it Windows 10. It doesn't really matter. And also just select this tick box. Now this will format it so it will actually enable it to be a bootable USB. If you don't select that, it probably won't work. And then all you have to do is click burn. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. Now I've already done this step previously, but all you have to do is click burn. That'll just take maybe 5 or 10 minutes depending on how fast your machine is. And as soon as that's done, it'll basically look like this. I'll just show you mine. It'll basically look like this. So as you can see, if you open that up, it's already imported all of these files, or basically extracted all the files from the ISO image onto my USB, and also formatted my USB so it's able to boot when I start up my computer. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or didn't understand something or want me to explain it better, just leave it in the comments below and I'll try and answer that as best as I can. Also, I will leave a link in the description for that website to find this free software. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if it helped you, and do subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you again.